Hi! In front of me is TCL 13xPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and click on Bluetooth section right away. Now tap on this switcher at the top if it's not already on, and select Pair New Device. Following that, just wait for available ones to show up, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Lastly, tap on Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!